Okay, welcome to this new episode. Welcome to this new video where we are going to discuss on the reason, the causes why people are not selling enough on social media. So, among the reasons, we are going to discuss on something like not defining your target audience. When we talk about not defining your target audience, what we mean by that is that whenever you are trying to sell a particular kind of product, that type of product is not going to be something that everybody need at that current time. So there must be some kind of people or some group of people that may be in need of that kind of product. So depending on the type of product you are trying to sell, that set of people that are in need of that kind of product, they are going to be your target audience. So if you fail to determine or capture your target audience, so you waste a lot of time while trying to advertise the product, because you may be advertising to those that they don't even need it. So by so doing, you'll be working very hard, but at the end the return is going to be very less. Next thing to discuss on is creating and engaging content. If you are trying to sell a product, try to make a content something that is very nice to look, something that is presentable to your proposed customer. So when you package your product in such a way that once customer sees it, may like to look at it again, even if you don't have intention to buy it at that current period of time, so he or she may still try to contact you. Maybe in the future he may like to buy something like that, so it is just to contact you directly. So most of the business owners or those people that always want to do advertisement online, the mistake they did is, since social media is easy, give you an easy way to create your content, just type and upload. So by using that opportunity, those that always want to sell on that social media, they will just, like, when they are trying to post a product online, they'll just post it the same way they are posting any idea or anything that comes to their mind. There is a difference between what will you just post and what you are trying to sell to somebody. So the way you package it, the way you type the statement have to be different from a normal post. Aspiring sellers need to always write a very good content, even if there is going to be a picture attached to it or there is going to be a video attached to it. So let it be something presentable, let it be something that will drive a customer close to it, let it be something that will always be welcoming by a customer. So it's always good practice to check and analyze the kind of content you create for the product you are trying to sell online. Another mistake that most of those people that are selling online are making is they don't used to listen to customers' feedback. Once you post a product online, you see a lot of comments, you see a lot of replies. So if one person will give you a negative reply, that doesn't mean that all the remaining replies are also negative. And if somebody give you a positive reply, so that doesn't mean that all the following ones are going to be positive. So some, they will still reply to you. When they reply to you, even if it is in a negative way, but at the back of their mind is they won't weigh you up to see how serious are you about that product you posted. And after that, to know whether they can be able to relate with you or they can be able to trust you, because it is something you are selling not face to face, but you are selling it online. Another thing to take into consideration is that whenever you are trying to sell on social media, check and see which type of social media is going to be best for you. We have different kind of social medias, something like Facebook, we have Instagram, we have Twitter, we have LinkedIn, and so many other ones. So each one, when you take a look at it, you can see that it is pictures. What you can do in it is different from the other. So you need to select one and check based on your target audience. Which one do you see that most of your target audience are on? You can see a lot of people are on Facebook, not on Instagram. You can see a lot of people on Twitter, not on other platforms. So you need to check and see what type of platform that your target audience are always using. That is something to put into consideration. One more thing, which is also part of the mistakes that people do, is not making use of paid advertisement. You know, when you create a social media, for example, we can take a look at Facebook. Facebook is created for people to interact with others. But do you know that Facebook also have a way they are generating their own income? So this is it. The main income used to come in form of advertisement. That is to say, when the users of Facebook want to do some kind of advertisement, that is the main source of Facebook income. So it's good if you want to sell on a platform like Facebook to pay Facebook for a kind of advertisement. When you are doing that, Facebook will allow you to set your original target audience. Let's say you are selling in Lagos, or you are selling in Abuja, or your target audience are going to be mostly in Abuja or in Lagos. So Facebook will give you that chance. They will give you that full setup to select where exactly do you want to advertise your product. So you can see, if you compare that with the advertisement you are going to do yourself, that is by sharing link in all the group, mostly those links, they don't used to be built, you understand, because people will just think as if it is just something that somebody decide to send, then people are just sharing it. While if it is a paid advertisement, that advertisement is even going to be marked as something like sponsored. I know you used to see that kind of advertisement. So that is a kind of advertisement that is a legit. And one more thing is, if a business, you as a business owner, advertise your product by the use of payment to those social media, so whoever saw that advertisement knows that that advertisement is legit, and there's nothing that somebody will maybe feel as if it is a play, you understand. So it's always good, recommended, if you have chance to pay for advertisement. Let the social media platform generate something from you, and they also help you in return by enriching your content, your advertisement content, to those people that's supposed to reach to your target audience. Alright, so that is it today on this short video. um, we are hoping to be bringing a lot of productive videos for you, which is going to be video of benefit. Alright, so before you close this video, click on that subscribe button at the bottom, and after subscribing, the bell that is going to open, click on it also. It is a notification bell. So whenever we upload new video, new content, which is also going to be a very productive content like this, so you can easily have notification on that. So if you have any question or any suggestion or any contribution, don't relent. Just go down, write it in comments. We will definitely reply to you. And do not forget to click on that like. Will always be appreciated. Thank you. God bless you.